Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Athirah binti Mohamad, and currently I am a final year student of UniKL MFR. As the title suggested, the project conducted is focusing on PARASITE, identification of soil-transmitted helminth known as STH using deep learning utilizing ResNet 50 algorithm. This is my final year project that is supervised by Dr. Yusman Yusof. Moving on the presentation, I will present the introduction of this project. The parasites involved in this project are human roundworm, human wigworm, and hookworm. The parasites are transmitted via contaminated soils. Next, the problem statement. In Malaysia, the disadvantaged communities such as orang asli, communities, traditional villages, and urban areas were sampled to estimate the overall national prevalence of STH. Based on the research, the highest prevalence is human wigworm with 76.6%, followed by hookworm 26.4%, and then by human roundworm with 19.1% within orang asli communities. This is due to lack of hygiene and poverty. The infection causes extensive sickness and disability towards human. The diagnosis of the infection requires time, expertise, and expensive equipment. Therefore, the current situation could be improved by automating the examination process via deep learning model. There are two objectives for this project. The first one is to develop a deep learning model utilizing ResNet 50 algorithm to identify the 8 parasites of human roundworm, human wigworm, and hookworm. Then, the second one is to evaluate the performance of the trained model. The slide shows the methodology used in this project. This is the flowchart summarizes the method used in this project. It divided into 3 parts, which are establishing the data set numbered by 1, selection of deep learning model architecture numbered by 2, and the last one is the model development and evaluation. These steps carried out in this project starts with establishing the data set, augmented the data set, build the algorithm, tune the model, train the model, tested the model, and evaluate the model. The data set is augmented using image data generated from Keras library. The augmentation involved for the data set are horizontal flip, vertical flip, width shift, height shift, and rotation. The hyperparameters that are tuned in this project are optimizer and learning rate. The optimizer involves adaptive moment estimation, which is known as ADAP, and stochastic gradient descent with momentum known as SGDM. Meanwhile, learning rate is tuned from 0.00001 until 0.01 with increment of 10 to the power of 1. Moving on next, I will demonstrate how the system works to identify the 8 parasites. Moving on, result and discussion. Based on fine-tuned results, the ADAM optimizer and learning rate of 0.00001 and 0.0001 shows a good performance. Additionally, dropout technique elevates the performance of the model. Based on the graph shown, the final model is the one using ADAM optimizer with learning rate of 0.0001 and dropout rate of 0.3. It is the best model. The accuracy and the F1 score is shown in this. I hope in future there will be a trained model developed to detect other soil transmitted health aids. This project is aligned with Malaysia 1010 My STIE framework and third focus increasing the well-being of global measure well-being of the third Malaysian plan. In this opportunity, I would like to thank Dr. Yusman Yusof for providing and guiding me throughout this project. Besides, I would like to thank for Unique LMFI for providing me facilities to carry out this project and my fellow friends for being supportive towards me. Thank you.